Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
I will show you how to use an Android phone as a secondary display. First, decide whether you need convenience or minimal latency. Choose wireless when you value mobility and ease of setup. Choose wired when you need the lowest latency and most reliable connection. Wireless works well over a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network with both devices on the same router. Wired needs a USB 3.0 or USB-C cable and Android USB debugging, enabled for direct connection. Start by installing the SpaceDesk driver on your Windows PC. Then install the SpaceDesk app from the Play Store on your Android phone. Ensure both devices are connected to the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for lower latency. Launch the Windows driver and then open the SpaceDesk app on Android. The app will detect your PC automatically and show a connect button. Set the display resolution to 1920x 1080 and 60 FPS in the app settings for a smooth extended display experience. For the lowest latency, use a wired connection with USB debugging enabled on Android. Enable developer options and toggle USB debugging in the settings menu. Use SCRCPY if you want a free low-latency mirroring solution via ADB. Use Duet Display or a paid app if you need a true extended display over USB. Connect the phone with a USB 3.0 or USB-C cable for best throughput. Lower the resolution to 1280x 720 if your PC or phone struggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.